Good afternoon, YouTube. Doing some more work on the Firebird since the last video that we did on the Mercedes. I've done a little bit of camera off work. New water pump. I removed the body side moldings on the car. I will be removing the Firebird logo. I don't really care for it. I think I'm going to actually get a decal for it. Inside, we ripped out the horrible tan carpet that was completely covered in soda and replaced it with a darker color. The seats will be replaced, as will the plastic panels throughout the car. In time. I don't know if we're going to go with aftermarket, if we're going to get just darker seats, but I like this carpet a lot better. The other one was covered in soda, and there was actually soda still sitting underneath the passenger side. But today, we will be installing some C5 Corvette wheels. Got brand new tires on them. We will be running a 1.5 inch spacer on the wheel on the rear. The rears are 18s and the fronts are 17. And I found a set of the newer taillights. So we will be doing all of that today. Here in just a little bit. Let me get the carpet in here. Okay. Don't lose the nuts. See those nuts, and just set it off to the side. And here's going to be the difference in size for the front. Plus they look a heck of a lot better. We'll tighten them, we'll torque them down by hand. Now she's doing the rear.
You have the lock nut on.
No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
Alright, just set it aside. Good job. Alright, we went ahead and got the back wheel on with the spacer and got them torqued down. Go ahead and lower it. Slowly. Alright, I'm going to put the other side on and we'll give it a quick walk around. Alright, all the wheels are on. Now it needs to settle the suspension down a little bit. But lordy, those look so much better than the stock. So there's the stock 93 wheel versus the Corvette wheel. 2 inches bigger, and I think 2.5 or 3 inches wider. So we went from using a 225 tire to a 275 on the rear, and a 245 on the front, I believe. So back here on my taillights, these are not actually in that bad a shape, but there is a big nick right here. The other side actually is in pretty good shape, but they're just the old 93 style, so I'm going to get rid of these and put that honeycomb style on them. So basically on these taillights, you've just got 5 of these little like wing nuts on the, just move the carpet out of the way. You've got one here, here, and then there's two in the middle and one off to the side. Take those off and remove the lights, and the whole tail light comes out. So here's the back side of the newer light, and 1, 2, 3, and a smaller one, and then the smaller one, and 1, 2, 3. Undo those, pop them in, and bolt the new light in. All right, turn them on. Ah, there we go. That looks so much better. And then something else I forgot we did. The engine motor mounts, or I guess the motor mounts, and the transmission mount. We replaced those the other night, and the little tunnel plate that I guess kind of keeps your exhaust and drive shaft from falling. Replaced those the other night too. So looks like all I got left to do on the outside for right now would be to strip off the Firebird. And I do want to do the larger spoiler and a newer front end, fenders, bumper, hood, and a new windshield. She's getting close to being done.